same way I run my root.
Real tight, same heat, and I'm going to jump from toe line to toe line, super tight and kind of quick. So it's going to be something like this. Real. And you don't want to set on this. You just put a really nice looking root in there. Don't suck it out with your hot pass, right? Toe line to toe line, watching the edges of that puddle tie into the bevel. Remember, that puddle is probably 3 times larger than your tungsten. Wherever you want that puddle to stop, stop a little bit short with your tungsten. There's my hot pass. There's my root. Look inside.
She'll shoot.